알림 쪽 제가 뜸내를 세계를 적외고 또 성인과 부부를 동네 주지 땅게 심어 아군한테 hin기 홍거인 알아. 그걸 또 가오 대수장 끝내야 돼. 아군을 집인 거 말아. 저리 가라 버리지 그자 사금 날이. 저도 몇. 아군들은 제 단지라서 어찌 게 아군 사가 아군 그 자연지라서 너 스는 포리스 삶을 써야지라서 사금 날이.
Traditionally, we have always been practicing shifting cultivation. The land has been kind enough to us. We had sufficient food, but of late, we have been struck by pest and drought. So we decided with a conviction that we'll have to save some of our forest. It's a beautiful piece of land. What do you see the most when you are traveling by road in Nagaland? You see wood logs. Every kilometer or maybe less, you see this huge stack of wood logs. Where are they coming from? They are coming from our forest. Some of these trees are 60, 70 years old, and if this trend continues, our future is not bright. The name of my village is Sendenyu. There are about 400 households, total 400 households. Population of the village is about 2,000. We have a playground, a church, and most of the villagers are farmers. Very few of them works as government employees in the school and the medical sub-center. Elders, they used to say this place used to be full of elephants, tigers, bears, hornbills, all kinds of wild animals, and there were huge, thick forests in this village. But late 60s and early 70s to 80s, with the increase in population and then the coming of logging for timber and then commercialization of selling wild meat, the villagers started logging heavily, and then the wild animals were almost extinct, and even some of the pristine forests they were also destroyed. It's almost non-existent. So we thought that unless we do something, everything is going to be finished and it is going to be too late. You know, in Nagaland, the land belongs to the community, to the villagers, and it is their natural heritage. So to do anything, to take up any project, anything, any scheme, you have to take the permission of the landowner, the clan. To request the community to donate their land for conservation was not an easy task. And we had to do lots of convincing that unless we do this, these are the side effects, these are the things that we will be losing. A day is coming when our children, our generation will see in the pictures and say, this bird, this animal used to be in our land, but it is no more. So let us, why not we donate land? Why not we do conservation and then protect them?
Hi, my name is Kensing and I was once a hunter. Now I don't hunt anymore. No one in my village hunts. I have sold my gun.
This is Sendanyo Villages Community Biodiversity Conservation Area. Since its formation, we have totally banned hunting, fishing, all agricultural activities, and even collection of vegetables and other forest produces are totally banned. We want to protect and preserve the biological diversity of this area. We don't allow villagers even to go without our permission. And anybody caught roaming around in this reserve without our knowledge are penalized.
हम 2 साल पहले मैं पकड़ा गया शिकार करके, वो स्टेक देर मारा और ले आके हमारा खेती में खाने का वक्त में वो फॉरेस्ट गार्ड लोग आके हमको पकड़ा और हम 25,000 फाइन कर दिया और हमने तैराया और अभी हम शिकार नहीं करता है. Animal doesn't know the boundary we are preserving. We preserve this biodiversity area and we go around and check, but animal sometimes they don't know the boundary, so if they went out from the boundary, sure it's dead. So we patrol around the village, our surrounding, and not to hunt, request them, and then educate the younger generation not to hunt and value the wildlife animal.
You know, Naga society, it is the culture is such that community works, social works, the people are fond of it. The people like doing it. Most of the social work in the CCA, it is done on voluntary. And when we say we will work today, we are going to develop this water hole for the in our conservation area or fence this area, people readily come.
Today we are planting cherry because Jhum cultivation we exercise for generation and cut down the wild vegetables and burn down. So we plant this cherry to attract birds, and those who are working here, they volunteer themselves to contribute their work for the forest and the community.
जुम करने में तो लॉस होता है, हम लोग मेहनत ज़्यादा और तकलीफ भी है, जंगल भी लॉस होता है और वो जलाने में धुआं से भी ये सब फ़ायदा नहीं होता है. हम लोग को देखने में ऐसा लगता है, इसलिए अभी तो ये जुम नहीं करके ये संतुला लगाता है, इसको थोड़ा कुछ मेहनत करता है, ये सब में आराम मिलता है बोल कर हम लोग यही करता है आजकल तो.
We are standing right above New Saint-Denis. From here it is about 1.5 kilometers down. And 15 years ago they were having a water shortage problem. But after the conservation started and canopy coverage improved, their water condition is much improved.
अमिखाला बस्ती तो पहला तो बेसी दुख कर नाथाकी जाइसे हले बे फरेस्ट होला पिछेते अमिखालागा दुख सुख और जानवर लगा सब अमिखान करने भाल हुआ त्या जाना है से भाल हुआ है से तिपरा इनका जाए था कि ले अमिखान सब भाल हो तो के जाना दिया है.
I was passing through the neighboring village and I saw some kids carrying this bird, so I rescued this bird from them. If I don't rescue this bird, they might kill it, so I took this bird from them, and now I'm carrying this bird to Senegal. So I'm gonna release this bird. It will be completely protected and this bird will have a safe and happy life.
When you don't interfere, if you just keep the jungle, it will rejuvenate by itself. And what we are doing, out of that work, so many things have developed. Birds which are almost extinct, they have come back. Wild animals which are almost extinct, they have come back. Even there are several tree species which needs to grow big, then only they will bear fruit, and then the seeds can be germinated. So like that, in that area, many species, not only fauna but flora also has been rejuvenated.
The tourists are instantly visiting our place. The biologists, the research scientists, they visit our place. Now everybody can see the result, and now everybody is supporting us to continue conservation of this biodiversity.
Well, I wish we have fun. There are so many things to be done. Other than compensation, if we have fun, we could have purchased communication equipment, even trapping cameras, or fenced areas where the cattle will be encroaching our conservation area. And another issue is finding an alternate livelihood for the landowners. Like we have that's 15, 16 square kilometers in a particular village is a big area, and there are so many forest resources now, and we have been preserving that for 15 years now. The timber value, if we calculate now, it is very high. So there are people who right now they want to go and exploit those areas in their land and for commercial purpose. So until and unless an alternative source of income can be channelized for those landowners, there may be a problem. Yeah.
Since time immemorial, the communities are protecting and conserving these community conservation areas. Basically, as we are saying today, ecosystem services, they know about the ecosystem services since long time. There are mature CCS like Saint-Denis, where the best practices has done, and there is incent stages of some of the Sukha CACAs, which needs lot of support, lot of guidance to them. So that is where exactly the forest department also is involving these communities, and these communities also going to this mature CCS like Sendenu, where they are learning the good practices and they are going and implementing their CCS.
मेरा नाम है काका। मैं तो सखाई गांव लगा। हमारा गांव में अभी 63 हाउस है और हमारा यह गांव का क्लाइमेट तो अच्छा ही है अभी तक तो तकरीबन ठीक है। हमारा यहाँ में स्कूल है और डिस्पेंसरी है। हमारा गांव के लोग तो ऐसे पूरा खेती में काम करके खाता है। यहाँ में और खेती के अलावा कुछ नहीं मिलता। हमारा सीसी एरिया है कि वो देखा दे रहा है कि नीचे से ऊपर तक हमारा सीसी एरिया है। जो नीचे में नदी है, ऊपर में नदी है और ऊपर से नीचे तक हमारा सीसी एरिया बना हुआ है। ये सीसी एरिया है कि तकरीबन 450 हेक्टेयर होगा। तो इसका अंदर में बहुत पेड़ है, बड़ा पेड़ है। तो इसका पेड़ है तकरीबन 80-90-100 साल पुराना पेड़ है। इसका अंदर में जानवर बहुत अलग किस्म का है। इसलिए हम लोग का ये बचा के रखने के लिए बहुत हमारा गाँव वाला प्लान हो रहा है। लेकिन हम लोग ये पैसा नहीं है क्योंकि ये कंट्रोल करने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है।
10 minutes back, we got information some of the people are fishing in our CC area using the batteries. Since the batteries, generator and explosive has been already banned in this area, so we'll go and find them, and if we could able to catch them, we'll impose the fine on them.
By using this electric generator, this current shocks everything whatever present in the river. Every insects and then fish, it used to destroy it, whatever is in the river, even this insects and then this prawn, everything is destroyed, and then the fish will finish one day.
No la can ni skeban ni la can no skebanum de sor ni otuz dole shigaram ni de sor nom nim sor yemu ni alhozun she aja individual ni nimta ke bai ni kai no
individual let's pa mu ya council
le bai ni kan ni member ni member ke ni mo tha je
not mona mo nagaland post le release pa nyem
10 of them were fishing. We have